Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 bullet journal ideas for quarantine while you guys are at home. The first spread that I'm going to do is a self-care spread. I think it's very important for us to have a set list of self-care that we're going to do. I split my self-care category into 3 categories so that it helps me keep up with my own self-care during this time. So my first category is to take care of my body, whether that means brushing my teeth, doing yoga, exercising, working out. My next category is my mind. Mental health is very important, especially during this time. And lastly, for my soul. So these are some things that I look to and kind of want to take care of, whether that be my religious faith or anything of that sort. On the next page, I started off drawing a brain. Obviously, I didn't have a sketch or anything. It turned out so ugly that I just had to improvise from there. Here I'm drawing little lines out and filling in my wannabe brain the words brain dump. On the next page, I really like how this turned out. This is my daily routine layout. Basically what I want my days to look like and to go. It's very important to kind of have an idea of what you want to do during the day, and this really definitely helps me track what I'm going to do throughout the day. And on to my last page. This one is going to be something I am grateful for every day of this month. I realized that I haven't been looking in my bullet journal as often as I would had hoped. Starting off, quarantine and everything, I just kind of put my bullet journal aside. So this layout definitely helps me look at my bullet journal more. So over here I'm doing the same thing I did for my daily schedule, except I'm going to extend it all the way to the end for 31 days. And then I'm filling in each row with the date of the month. So that is it for my 4 quarantine ideas. I hope you guys found this really helpful. I know that it was helpful for me during this crazy time. So if you guys like this, please subscribe and share. Thank you.